Peter, that's the first video. Road rehab now. Right angle had not included. There's the port that we were talking about. Taking a video around it. Tooling not included. Just the machine. There's a coolant through. Speed here we got the USB on that VF7. Number one corner, axis 1, 2, going back 1, 2, going back 1, 2. Number 2, go ahead. 2, going back 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, quarter number 3, 1, 2, going back 1, 2, going back. All right, we're checking backlash quarter number 4. 1, 2, going back, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go back to 0, 1, 2. That's it. Right. Now we're going to start at high gear, 3,000 RPM is going, and we're going to override to 7.
7.5.
Yeah. 6.5.
7.5.
7.5. There's the spindle. Going nice. Alright, that's it. Now we're going to see the spindle going 1,000 RPM. And then we're going to override, go down. To 0, go up, yeah. Go up higher to low gear. There you go.
2032.
Spindle. That's with the override. It's the low gear, I believe. Alright. Now we're going to do that tool change. You just grab a random tool. You're going to grab another tool. Y-axis. 1, 2, 1, 2, and going back 1, 2. This is the Z-axis going down, go 1, 2, going up 1, 2, going back, done. Okay, we started feet, which is A-axis. We put it to 0 right here, and then we use the 10, and then we go 1, 2, and then we gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, going back, and it goes that much to the 0. Then you go 1, 2, goes that much, and then you go 4 clicks, and you got that much. Does that make sense to you? Or we could use the 10, bring it to 0, and go this way, which shows this, and we go the other way, and then bring it back to 0. Shows this. 004. I don't know how to show you the A-axis otherwise, but this is it. Let me know.